Bullish wave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.72 and $3.75 by 2030. Market experts accept XRP could reach $1.72 by 2025. Bearish wave market cost expectation for 2022 is 30 cents. Swell presentation. As crypto financial backers, we are continuously watching out for the most recent costs of our #1 monetary standards. It's essential to keep awake to date with the goal that we can arrive at informed conclusions about where to put away our cash. Thus, today, we need to discuss the cost of XRP. As you presumably know, XRP has seen a huge ascent in esteem throughout recent months. A few specialists are foreseeing that it will keep on filling in esteem over time. In this way, on the off chance that you're considering putting resources into XRP, this moment may be a decent opportunity. In any case, recall, consistently do your own exploration prior to settling on any venture choices, so here is our interpretation of the XRP cost forecast. What is Wave? Swell is a computerized money and worldwide installments organization. Swell empowers monetary foundations, computerized trades, and enterprises to send cash worldwide utilizing blockchain innovation. Wave's dispersed monetary innovation stage empowers continuous worldwide installments across borders. The organization's blockchain innovation makes it simple to move cash all over the planet rapidly and efficiently. Swell is based on an open-source, decentralized convention that upholds tokens addressing government-issued money, digital currency, wares, or some other unit of significant worth. The organization is controlled by a local computerized resource, XRP, which is utilized to work with exchanges on the organization. Continuous worldwide installments might be made anyplace all over the planet on account of XRP, which is the quickest and most adaptable computerized resource. XRP Central Examination. There are a couple of variables driving the precariousness in cost. To begin with, Wave as of late declared that it had joined 3 new clients for its X-Rapid cross-line installments arrangement. Second, Bitcoin was confronting areas of strength for a, which had been the motivation to drive down the costs across the digital currency market. As the main cryptographic money by market capitalization, Bitcoin frequently establishes the vibe until the end of the market. At last, there was developing theory that Wave would before long send off its own digital money trade. This would be a significant improvement for the organization, as it would permit it to offer XRP to financial backers straightforwardly. Looking forward, the XRP cost is probably going to keep on ascending in the present moment as financial backer certainty stays high. In any case, it is essential to remember that the digital money market is exceptionally unpredictable and costs can move rapidly in one or the other heading. All things considered, financial backers ought to constantly work out alert while putting resources into any advanced resource. XRP current cost. Swell is as of now worth 38 cents USD. XRP has moved 0.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $954,220,347. Swell is as of now position 7 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $19,247,350,713 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Wave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Swell value expectation 2022. Swell, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The XRP cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 57 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 53 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XRP is supposed to have a base worth of 45 cents. In 2023, Wave XRP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XRP will before long outperform 95 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the XRP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XRP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 76 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 84 cents. Swell value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.34 and XRP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XRP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.22 and a low of $1.15 in 2024. Swell Value Forecast 2025. In the event that wave effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the XRP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XRP will be green in 2025. The XRP is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.72, with a base cost of $1.53 and a typical cost of $1.61. Swell Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the XRP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.99 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.91 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XRP has a most extreme value worth of $2.10. Swell Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.37. On the off chance that XRP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $2.49. Neglecting to accumulate the help XRP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.30. Swell Value Expectation 2028. While XRP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.68 and a yearly cost close above $2.87 in 2028. Swell Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Wave will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.06 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.25, averaging out at $3.14. Swell Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest XRP cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.75 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.60. And XRP is a decent coin. Major areas of strength for WIF. The organization has a reasonable vision and a strong guide, and they are continually attempting to work on the innovation. Furthermore, Wave has previously settled organizations with significant banks and monetary establishments all over the planet. This provides XRP with a ton of potential for development later on. So in the event that you're considering putting resources into XRP, this moment may be a decent opportunity. In any case, recollect, consistently do your own exploration prior to settling on any venture choices. What is the Wave cost today?